you need to be regular in the class. We get the constant feedback as well. So for PTE, the tips, the new strategies, I must say, they are very helpful.
When you come to the lab, you will know that when you are practicing, you will get different areas that you are not doing well. Just do practice as much as you can and come in the lab regularly.
They are as working as the faculties, they are working as a family, and they make you as a part of family as well. That is very important.
Hey everybody, Varun here from Language Academy. Guys, what a great day. 2 champions sitting with me. 25 points. Both of them, they have claimed 25 points towards their residency. First, they cleared their NAATI CCL exam in Hindi in the very first go. And now both of them, both brothers, they have got AAT each in PT. Congratulations, guys.
Thank you, sir.
Very well done. Very, very happy. Super proud. Hardik, will start with you. 79 or 90 in NAATI CCL in the very first go. This is one thing which students don't even aim for, right?
Yeah.
They just aim for 63, 64, like you've got 64. Yeah. What was that one thing that you did differently as compared to other students which helped you to get this score 79 or 90 in NAATI?
First of all, we always need to be dedicated as the classes and the faculties over here are towards us. So we also need to be dedicated. Plus, they are giving the tips and tricks which are very helpful in the real exam. The links which they provide with the dialogues, those dialogues are very important because their dialogue which in the real exam very similar to that, so it will be helpful for you guys. And first and most thing important is you need to be regular in the class. We get the constant feedback as well, and the exams, the real exam which they take, that are also important because on that basis they will guide you what you need to improve.
When it comes to mock test, Harsh, what do you think, how important are mock tests in NAATI CCL?
Mock test is must because from mock test you can really know that how we are going well in the test, so that in future we are going to for a real exam, you will get to know that yes, I was wrong over here, so I have to improve over there, and from that basis you can get your desired score.
Yeah, I remember when I took your mock test, you were kind of confident in the beginning, but then we realized that you were making a lot of mistakes.
Yes, so from your guidance and everything, so at last I scored my desired score.
That's right, that's right. Again, guys, it's very important that you're dedicated. You need to work hard and you need to have the right direction, because if you just work hard but you don't know what is important, what not, things can be very challenging. Let's talk about your PT. You've got 89 overall. Very great score. In the beginning, you were struggling a bit with your reading and speaking section,
yes.
right? What is important for PT? You have spent number of hours in the lab, right? I remember both of you used to come. You used to do a number of mock tests, a lot of mock tests. I remember,
yes.
Right? What do you think is important for PT exam? What students out there should do in order to crack their PT exam in the very first go?
First of all, as I said, in PTE as well, we need to be dedicated, as similar as NAATI and PTE both goes together, because we have cleared both over here. So we need to be dedicated for that, and over here they give tips and tricks for that as well. So for PTE, the tips, the new strategies, I must say, they are very helpful and students are getting scored, and we need to believe that those strategies are working. So we need to be regular first of all in the class as well, because if you are coming here regular, you give the test, you check the score and everything, so they can guide you on what area particular you need to focus on and what improvements you need to make.
Alright, when it comes to feedback, Harsh, how important do you think is feedback in PT when it comes to lab sessions? Because normally people out there, students out there, they think they'll just practice at home, they'll use any website to get the feedback, right? Yeah. How is practicing by yourself at home on any website different when it comes to practicing in the lab? Why you were regular in the lab? Why you thought that it's better to go in the lab and practice rather than practicing at home?
Because as per I know, I come regularly over here in the lab. From when you come to the lab, you will know that when you are practicing, you will get different areas that you are not doing well. So when you ask to the faculties, they will tell you that you are wrong over here, you have to do like this, you have to improve in this area. So from that you can get your desired score and you will be getting it.
And also there are some minute things as well which are connected. So for example, speaking area is also contributing marks to reading area. So those things are also important. So which mistakes we are making, and those mistakes are contributing to the other part of the PTE exam. So that also we can be come to know by coming here regularly.
That's right. You have a clear idea of what mistakes you're making.
Yes.
Because a lot of times this happens that you go and take the exam, you don't get the scores in one section and you just focus on that particular section. But there can be a case that you're not getting scores in one particular area or one particular section because of some other sections as well.
That's true.
Because everything is interrelated and you really need to know what mistakes you are making and how to improve on the same. When it comes to mock test and feedback, how important are mock tests according to you, Hardik?
Mock tests are really important, especially the mock tests which are in the class, because on that basis also teachers also come to know that the students which area they need to focus and where they need to contribute more time to get the desired score. So mock tests are important, and we also need to be regular in the class and the test as well, because on that basis we can get continuous feedback and continuous evaluation as well.
Guys, very important, you are here in the lab, you need to be dedicated and you need to be regular. If you think that you'll just take admission over here, you'll just enroll here and don't even turn up in the lab, you'll get the score, that is going to be a bit difficult, because you need to know if you're following a strategy. If let's say I have got a template, I just give you the template, it won't really work for you. You need to know how to use the strategy or the template properly and then work towards your success. Any advice for people out there, Harsh, who are preparing for the PTE or NAATI exam? Any advice for them, please?
Just do practice as much as you can and come in the lab regularly so that you can get a feedback from the faculties, and you will improve that and you will get your desired score. So that's it for me.
That's right. So guys, very important you practice on your weaknesses as well, practice a bit on your strengths, so that doesn't turn into a weakness when you go and sit for the exam and you get the right feedback. Right feedback will take you from your failures to your success. Any advice from you, please?
Yeah, so over here, they are working as the faculties, they are working as a family, and they make you as a part of family as well. That is very important, because some classes or wherever you go, the things over there, you just go there, you do your work and you just left the class. But the thing over here is they do take care about you, they do follow up as well, and they do ask you why you are not regular. So that makes you also regular, and then makes you work hard as well. So over here, you get the environment, you get the dedicated team after you as well. So that makes everything perfect for us, and we can get score very quickly and easily.
That's right. Thanks for that, guys. Guys, very important, if someone is serious, if a tutor is dedicated, it's not the tutor that will only help you to get the score. You need to help yourself as well. You need to make sure you ask for direction and then follow the guidelines as directed by the tutor or the expert, and you are going to get your score as well. Congratulations once again.
Yes, sir.
25 points. Make sure, guys, one thing before we wrap up, one thing, how, when people out there were a bit panicked, you also lost your job due to corona, right? You both lost your job, especially in month of March and April, you were running out of funds as well, right?
Yes, true.
There were people out there who were a bit depressed about the situation, and yes, situation was pretty tough as well. But as you were mentioning that you utilized the situation in a positive manner. How is that, if you can please throw some light on that?
Yes, friends, to be honest, if this corona situation was not here, I was still struggling to get the score. Because of this, we have an opportunity, I must say that, because this time we are doing nothing, we are finding a job, and that's all. But side by side, if you are finding a job, be regular to the class, come to the class and clear this exam, because even at the end of the day, we need this exam to get our permanent residency, right? So this time is the time where you can dedicate more time to PTE and clear it. Just clear it, that's all. Make your mind clear. We need to be regular in the class in this period and clear the exam. That's all I'll say.
That's right, guys. Again, situation will be tough, but you need to see the positive side and take advantage of the positive side and get things sorted out. That's it from this video, guys. Make sure you claim your 25 points at the earliest and secure your permanent residency in Australia. All the very best, guys. Keep on practicing, get the right guidance, and make sure you have the right direction. That's it, guys. Thank you. I'll see you very soon. Thank you.